These AI influencers are taking over TikTok and Instagram, and most people they have no idea how easy it is to create one. My name is Ali, and in this video I'm going to build one live using Higgsfield so you can see exactly how it works. So first we need a Higgsfield account, and there is a link in the description. If you click on that link, it will take you to this page where you can sign up to Higgsfield and create your account. Once you create your account, you will land on this page, and here you will see that it says AI Influencer Studio, and currently it is free to use. So you have to go to this one, and here you will be able to create whatever AI influencer that you can imagine of. So on the left side there will be some pre-built templates that you can choose from. So for example this one, and from here you can make some changes and change her character, and these are other examples that you can choose. But if you want to create your AI influencer completely from zero, then on the right side you have two options: either choose the builder or choose the prompt. So if you choose prompt, you can just type whatever you want. You can describe your AI influencer, the visual, the traits, the styles, the mood. You have the complete power to build whatever you want. Or if you want to use the builder option, then it will give you this option to create your character. You can select the gender, you can also choose the ethnicity or the origin. You can even choose the skin color, eye color, skin condition, age, and at the end there will be advanced settings that I'm going to cover this for you. So first you can just choose your character. It can be human, ants, bee, crocodile, iguana, whatever you want, you can choose it from here. And if you don't see the thing that you want to build here, you can always choose it from the prompt section. So from here, let's build an AI influencer that has the potential to go viral. Let's choose octopus, and the next option is to choose the gender. So we can choose it like to be as a female. Let's go for the ethnicity. Let's choose as a European, and let's say for the skin color we're gonna choose brown, and the eye color you can choose whatever you want. I'm gonna choose the white. Let's go down, click on skin condition. Here we have different skin conditions, but again, if you want to choose something other than these settings, you can always go with prompt. So let's say that our AI influencer, we want to have birthmarks, and we can also choose the age: adult, mature, and senior. Let's just choose adult. And here is the fun part: in the advanced settings we can choose the face type, the body type, and also style. So let's just first go with face. Here we can choose the eyes type, can be human, reptile, mechanical. So let's go with reptile. And again, eyes detail, blind, scared eyes, glowing. Let's go for glowing. I think it's going to be very interesting. We can choose mouth and teeth. So here we have two tongues, forked tongues, and sharp teeth. I'm gonna choose sharp teeth, and let's go to choose ears. So we can also have elf ears, wing ears, and human ears. So let's just choose no ears. So I don't want to have ears for this one. And we can also choose horns. And yeah, let's just skip this one, I don't like it. And we can have face skin material. So we can have human skin, we can have scales, fur, fish skin, and metallic. So let's choose metallic and see, it's going to be very interesting. So surface and pattern, I'm going to choose solid. That is okay. So these are all the settings, and you can see all of them have been here. So if I click now generate, our AI influencer will be generated. So let's go ahead and click generate. All right, now the AI influencer has been generated, and you see it is very good. I really like it. And from here we can type to customize our character. So I really don't like her hair. Let's just change the hair. Now I'm saying that change her hair to long straight black, and from here we can click edit, and we can just keep editing our AI influencer to get it perfectly done. And from here we can generate videos and publish them into our social media and then go viral. So while it is being generated, let me also explain the prompt builder. So here you can write whatever inside the prompt that you want AI influencer to look like. And for this one I got a help from ChatGPT, and I asked ChatGPT that I want to create an AI influencer that doesn't end to human. We can create whatever we want. It can be another creature mixed with human body parts, and whatever, like you can imagine whatever you can build. So ChatGPT gave me some different prompts with different creators or with different AI influencers, that from here I can just copy everything and put it in the prompt section, and I can create my very own AI influencer. So in fact, let's go back to Higgsfield, and our edit has been changed. So we changed her hair from this one and to this one. And from here we can keep changing whatever we want, maybe putting this influencer into different situations and positions, and then turn these images into videos. So with the help of ChatGPT, I got other influencers like this one, and also this one, and also again this one. So imagine that this can be an AI influencer, and you can create an Instagram page posting images and also posting videos and go viral. And also I was able to also generate this one and this one, which I like the most. It's a paper human. So just imagine whatever you want to create and you will be able to create them. So now let's go back to our AI influencer, and this one I really like it. So let's put her into different situations. All right, I'm just saying that put her into different situations and environments, and let's just hit generate or edit like few times to get different images. And now the first one is in progress, and once this one is done we can generate also other images. So while this one is being generated, let me also tell you another thing from Higgsfield. You can use this AI influencer feature to build your very own unique character or AI influencer, and you will be able to monetize this. So Higgsfield will pay you in order to post videos about this on your social media. Let me show you how this works. If you go to higgsfield.ai/earn, again, the link is down in the description. You can just easily click on that link and it will take you to this page. So here is the official creator program from Higgsfield, and you see that the total earnings by all the users is this much. They are constantly paying to the users who post with their AI influencers made inside AI Influencer Studio. If you really want to monetize these AI influencers, then you can definitely use this one. Come to this website. You just need to do 3 steps. So you need to log into Higgsfield and you need to build your AI influencer and post it on the social media, and then Higgsfield will pay you money for posting it. So as they say, you can earn up to $300 weekly with this program. So definitely you don't want to miss this. 2026 will be the year of AI influencers, and Higgsfield made it so easy. All you have to do is to create an account, go to AI Influencer Studio and build your own unique AI influencer and then post to your social media. So now let's go back to our AI influencer and see. So yeah, we got her into a metro, and the cool thing is that everyone is watching this. So now we can animate this. We can take this to Kling motion control or Kling 2.6 and to be able to turn this image into a video. So from here you can click on this video, and there will be a lots of viral videos library by the Higgsfield. So you can just click on explore more and see what options you have, or if you see some videos that is going viral on social media like Instagram or TikTok, you can download that video, you can take it to Higgsfield and choose Kling motion control, and all you have to do is to give that video with the image of your AI influencer, and then you can turn your AI influencer doing the same thing as the video. So right now we have our AI influencer here as the image, and now from here we can choose whatever motion that we want. So here you see that they have a library of different viral videos, and let's just choose one of them. This one, you can also hear the sound. Yeah, this one is good. Let's just choose this one, and from here you can choose the quality. So I'm going to keep it on 1080, and then all you have to do is to click generate, and in seconds our AI influencer is doing the same as in the video. Alright guys, now our video has been generated. Let's watch it together. Yeah guys, that's it, and you see that the possibilities are endless. From here you can just change anything you want. You can put this character into different scene, different environment or situation, and have different video source that you want your AI influencer to replicate or copy that. So I choose this one from the motion library from Higgsfield, but feel free, you can just scroll on TikTok and Instagram and you can find viral videos and just copy them and put your AI influencer in those videos. So yeah, just go ahead and build your AI influencer and then create images and videos of that. And once you are here, just go to Higgsfield Earn, click here, it will take you to the program. From here you can start earning money with your AI influencer. And don't forget, both of the links to Higgsfield Earn and Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio will be down in the description. So yeah, if you want to start making money online, this is the best way you can do in 2026. You can build tons of AI influencer for you. Just post videos and get paid. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, just give it a like. It really helps me to show this video to more people like you, and don't forget to subscribe because I'll be posting more videos like this and you don't want to miss it. If you have any idea on how your AI influencer should look like, don't forget to describe them in the comment section. I'll be reading them. I wish you a great day and I'll see you in the next video.